Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a comparative analysis of two industrial giants, John Deere and Tesla. We'll explore how they navigate the complex landscape of global manufacturing and the unique challenges they face. Global manufacturing operates within a complex web of economic and regulatory factors. Companies like John Deere and Tesla must continually adapt to fluctuating production costs, market access challenges, intricate supply chain dynamics, intense competition, and diverse regulatory environments. Both companies strategically locate manufacturing facilities to optimize labor, material, and operational expenses. Tariffs, trade agreements, and government incentives significantly impact their ability to sell products in various markets. Complex global supply chains require them to manage disruptions and ensure the flow of essential components. They both operate in highly competitive markets, necessitating constant innovation and adaptation. And diverse regulations regarding trade, emissions, safety, and environmental policies shape their operational strategies. Now, let's look at their contrasting and comparable strategies. Deere focuses on precision agriculture, utilizing data-driven services to optimize farming practices globally. Challenges include data privacy and standardization. Tesla emphasizes software-defined vehicles and an integrated energy ecosystem, deploying supercharger networks and over-the-air updates. Their challenges include data privacy and software standardization. In terms of supply chain and raw material sourcing, Deere relies on heavy industry commodities like steel and iron, with sourcing strategies influenced by commodity prices. Tesla depends on critical minerals for battery production, necessitating strategies to secure and diversify mineral supply chains. For market diversification, Deere operates in established agricultural markets, adapting products to regional needs. Tesla expands into emerging EV markets, building gigafactories and charging infrastructure. In terms of regulatory compliance, Deere navigates agricultural regulations and trade agreements, influenced by tariffs and environmental policies. Tesla manages complex automotive regulations and EV incentives, influenced by emission standards and charging infrastructure policies. Let's take a closer look at Tesla's engagement with China. Gigafactory Shanghai serves as a crucial production and export hub, relying on a localized supply chain. Chinese government policies regarding EV subsidies, data localization, and market access significantly impact Tesla's operations. Intense competition from domestic EV manufacturers and geopolitical factors, such as US-China trade tensions, further complicate Tesla's strategic decisions. Now, let's also discuss John Deere's manufacturing presence in Mexico. John Deere's establishment of facilities has led to increased employment and economic activity in Mexico. This includes growth in local businesses and increased tax revenue for the Mexican government. Specifically, we see increased local employment rates, growth in local business activity, and increased tax revenue for local governments in Mexico. However, there are considerations regarding competition with local businesses, labor conditions, and environmental impact in Mexico. The shifting of manufacturing also impacts the workforce and local economies in the United States. The Mexican government observes the effects on the local infrastructure workforce and economy. Labor conditions and wages are subject to scrutiny in Mexico. Environmental impacts are increasingly relevant in Mexico. The overall evaluation of John Deere's presence in Mexico necessitates a careful balance between economic benefits in Mexico and potential concerns in both Mexico and the United States. Potential impacts of their growth or demise. John Deere's growth in precision agriculture could enhance global food production, impacting food prices worldwide and creating jobs where expanded. Increased automation could shift agricultural employment. A decline could disrupt food supply chains and impact economies where facilities are located. Tesla's growth could accelerate EV adoption, reducing emissions globally. Growth in battery tech and charging infrastructure would impact energy networks. A decline could hinder these efforts and impact related industries worldwide. In conclusion, John Deere and Tesla take different paths in global manufacturing. Deere in agriculture and Tesla in EVs, but both must adapt to evolving markets, regulations, and supply chains. Whether it's precision farming or software-driven cars, their success depends on innovation and strategic decision-making. Both John Deere and Tesla navigate intricate global landscapes, each facing unique challenges and opportunities within their respective industries. Their strategies reflect the evolving dynamics of global markets, technological integration, and regulatory environments. If you found this analysis insightful, please share it with others. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. What other companies would you like us to compare? Like and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell and never miss a beat.